Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. How to video convert to MP3 on Android without installing any additional app. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open your file manager. And video, click on it. Step 2. Choose the video. Long press or select the video. And open the file options. Then tap 3 dots, bottom right corner. Step 3. Rename, click on it. Remove the .mp4 extension at the end of the file name. Replace it with .mp3 and save the change. The video file is now an MP3 audio file, playable as audio. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guide was useful for you. If it helped, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you can catch more tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.